Good morning everyone. My name is Armula. I am studying 5th standard. Today I stand before you to speak about a man who needs no introduction, a founding father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Born on October 2nd, 1869, Gandhiji led India to its freedom through his principle of non-violence, units against the British rule. His birthday on 2nd October is commemorated in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence, according to the declarations of UNO. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was his political guru. His famous work was include Indian opinion,